Hey neighbors and friends, it's me, M.A. Sargo, Board Chair, Project Mending. Once again, here to tell you about another fundraiser that's going to happen right here at the VFW Post 1503, October 23rd, 2019. It's our 19th annual Taste of the Town dinner, accompanied of course by that famous 50-50 drawing, tons of giveaway door prizes, and many wonderful silent auction gifts this year. Please join us at 6 p.m. You can pay at the door, or you can get your tickets online at our website, www.pmahweb.org. Project Mending, as you will easily recall, is a charity nonprofit here in Prince William County, serving senior citizens of low income status, veterans, and folks with disabilities. And what we do is exactly what our title says. We mend houses, we do small home repairs, and we are the only charity of its kind like this in the county. We want you to come and have an evening of fun. So once again, our 19th annual Taste of the Town at the VFW, October 23rd, 6 p.m. I want to see you there. Thanks.